welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing to you a Primark haul. I'm not sure if this is going to be the first video that goes up in my series of hauls or it's going to be somewhere in the middle, but I am planning on doing haul week, well, part of haul week. I've got 4 so far, so Primark, Shein, River Island and I forget the one, Georgia Asda, because I thought I'd mix it up a little bit by doing a bit of like supermarket fashion. I'm actually really pleasantly surprised with what was in that bag. So anyway, this is the first one and it is Primark, so let's just jump right in. So the first item that I've got here is a pair of like faux leather, they're not really leggings, they're going to be tight and look like leggings I think, but they've got the button and they've got a zip, so they're more like that, can't call them jeans, they're faux leather trousers, duh. So yeah, they look like this and I can see that they've got like a little zip on the bottom, which I am definitely just not even going to use. I'm going to ignore that it was there. I'll tell you the price since I've, oh crap, the price isn't on them. I have bought a UK size 10 because they didn't have any, so I'm actually hoping these fit. If they don't, and I do like them, I can always exchange them for the smaller size, so I'm going to start off with these. So I've pulled the camera down just so that you can see these a little bit better. As I said, they are the size 10. I wouldn't need to size down in these. They are a pretty snug fit for a size 10, so I would say if you were buying these to size up, at least one size. They are a nice fit on the legs as well. Like, I don't know if you can see the leg length on me, but they are literally perfect. I don't know if they come in leg lengths. As I said, the tag's missing, so I am assuming they are a size 10 and just normal length. So if you are taller than me, I am 5'1", so I am really short. If you are any taller than that, these are going to be too short for you unless they are meant to be short, but it doesn't look like they are. They feel like a good quality. They're quite a thick material. They're really warm. They're not really thin. I actually really like the fit of these. I wasn't expecting to like them this much. They are £13. This is from the back. As you can see, like, they are fitting pretty well. There's not too much of a gape here. They're tight round my bum, tight round my legs. I'm actually not sure if I like how tight they are around here. But looking in the mirror, actually, these are a pretty nice trouser. Just grabbed a boot that I actually had sitting. I probably don't know if I would style it with these boots, but I just popped them on so that we could see properly like what they would look like if you were putting them on with an outfit. I don't know what else I can say on these. I'm really pleasantly surprised actually about the quality and stuff. So for the next part of this video, to try on these 2 tops that I've got here, I'm actually just going to keep on these trousers. Probably would wear the knitwear with the trousers, but I might not style the top up usually with the trousers. So purely for the purposes of this video, I'm keeping on the trousers so that I don't need to keep getting changed. So let's start off with this little knitwear top that I've got here. It's so cosy and cute. I love the colour of it. My goal this year again is not to wear so much black. I bought this in a 2x extra small and it was £13. I'm going to bring it in nice and close so that you can see the detail. So obviously down the front, right, it's got this collar. I've already tried it on, so I've got some makeup on it. It's got obviously this kind of collar, like turtleneck. It's not a turtleneck, it's like a polo neck. And then it's got this nice design all down the front. It also brings it down the sleeve and it is completely plain at the back, which I totally don't mind. I do really like the fact it's just got a little subtle pattern on it at the front. So we'll pop this on and we'll see it. I'm actually just going to keep on this. So this is the little jumper on. As you can see, it fits me really quite well. For a 2x extra small, I would have hoped it would be slightly smaller, but that's just like my personal preference on how I like to wear my clothes. As you can see, it's got like quite a bit of room in it still. I prefer my things to be a little bit tighter, but that's like a normal moan for me. So this is it. I've kind of slightly tucked it in. I don't like it all the way out. Let me show you. That is it all the way out if that's the way you prefer to wear it. But I definitely do like it just tucked in a little bit and given just a little bit more shape rather than that oversizedness. It's oversized but not oversized enough to make it look cool, if you know what I mean. So that's why I think it would be better tucked in and giving me a little bit more shape. So this is it from the front, and obviously you can see the little pattern. These necks, I'm not entirely sure if they suit me. Please leave comments and let me know what you think. And the back. I do actually quite like it with these trousers. I think it would be nicer styled up with more like a light coloured jean, or even like even a dark denim jean. I don't necessarily think that the light colour goes with such a drastic black. Well, it probably goes, it's just not really what I would wear it together with. But yeah, at £13 I think this is such a good buy. I have seen so many like little jumpers and knitwears. I mean, like River Island's got a jumper that's so similar to this. It's a little bit bigger, it's got some stones on it, and it is £35 I believe. I'm pretty sure that the quality of that River Island jumper that's £35 and the quality of this one at 13 is not far apart, to be honest. It feels like it's going to wash quite well. It does say it can go in a 30-degree wash, so just be careful when you're washing it, don't put it in a 40 because it might shrink. But yeah, in all honesty, I would rather buy 2 of these than one of the River Island ones. And I tried on one in Zara last night, I'm pretty sure, and it was 25 as well. So next up I have this cute little shirt. So it is cropped and it ties in at the bottom, so you can pull it in a little bit more if you prefer, which obviously I'm going to do because we all know I like things a little bit more tight. This is a UK size 4. Primark sizes are just all over the place just now. I am finding that I'm sizing down. The trousers are a 10, so I'm sizing up. The 2 tops I'm definitely sizing down. I am not a size 4, like by no stretch of the imagination. I am probably an 8, like a steady 8. So I don't know what is going on with having to buy size 4s. I'm going to pop this on and let you see it. This little crop top. It's like a crop shirt. The material is actually so nice. I've got on a light pink bra and you can't see a thing through it. It looks see-through, but it's really not. You could wear this with a nice little bralette underneath and like unbutton it slightly more if you've got like a nice bralette to show off. I've just undone it to here. I think it looks cool like this. Ties around the waist to just kind of cinch in a little bit. I definitely need clothes to do this because of my shape. I'm a bit of an awkward, like I'm small but I'm curvy, so anything that comes in a little bit my waist is more flattering than something that's like boxy or oversized. So as soon as I seen that this tightened around the bottom, I was like, this is for me, it's so for me. I think I mentioned that it is a size 4. I'd say it was quite big made. The size 4 is perfect for me, so size down if you like your things to fit nicely. It had long sleeves and buttons at the bottom. I've rolled them up and turned them so that they stay like 3/4 length. I much prefer my shirts to sit like that. It just makes me look less heavy, not heavy as in weight heavy. I just feel it makes the clothes look less heavy. But as I said, it's such a nice shirt and it's definitely a 100% keep for me. It's going to be a great little piece for autumn and winter because I could probably put something on under it, like a little crop top for an extra layer, and then obviously I can put on like a cardigan or a hoodie and then my coat. So yeah, and I can dress it up and dress it down, so it's definitely a versatile piece in my wardrobe. I'm really looking forward to styling this up and wearing it with different outfits. Next up I have this little skirt. I have picked it up in a size 8. It comes in at £10. I'm going to bring it in a little bit closer just so that you can see like the texture. It's such a soft material. It feels like it's going to be quite snug. I don't know what I would wear this with, like autumn or winter, as in bottoms wise. I'm assuming that it's something you would be wearing with bare legs and maybe over the knee boots if you've got like a tan pair or a more nude pair. That would be really nice. I don't know if we're going to get away with an ankle boot. I've got a pair here that I'm going to try on and see if we can do it. For me personally, I don't like wearing light colours with black tights. Like as soon as I see that happening right now, I don't like it. But for those of you who want to do that, please feel free. It's come in at £10. This is size 8. Hopefully it fits. I'm going to pop it on. If it doesn't go with the little shirt that I've got on just now, I'm going to fire back on the little knitted jumper that I had on. It's maybe too much of light colours together, but I think it's just going to be a better overall look anyway. So let me pop this on. Here is the skirt. It's a size 8 and it is too big for me. I do have this pinned at the back so that I could show you how it's meant to look. I do kind of like it with this jumper, and it would be so nice with a light coloured pair of over the knee boots, or maybe like a shorter, like an ankle boot that was a nice light colour. This just screams autumn to me. Like it's so pretty, so cosy. definitely size down in the skirt. It is big made. It's so soft and comfy. Like I actually feel quite snug around the tops of my legs. It's just, yeah, it's just adorable. I'm going to pull the pins out the back. Well, it's not pins, it's a bobble, I'm going to be honest. And let you see what it does look like, the fact that it's too big for me, just so you can get an idea of how big it actually is and what size you would need to go for. In the waist I've got quite a bit of room, and also around the legs, as you can see how much I was like pulling it in to make it look half decent, I guess. I would 100% recommend this skirt. It's honestly so soft, cosy and comfortable, and at £10 it's such a great wee buy. I think I might actually go back and try and get the 6 or even possibly the size 4 in this skirt, because it is adorable. But I would need to be really brave and wear bare legs. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see. Keep an eye on my Instagram if you want to see if I actually go and exchange this skirt and actually wear it. I forgot to tell you that I also bought one of these throws from the home section. It was £4. It's like a champagne-y sort of brown colour. It totally matches my outfit. Wasn't intentional. I actually bought this for my mum's back garden because she's got like a little fire pit, and our intention is to get more use of it during the winter. So we wanted to get like just cheap throws that we can let the fire embers sometimes like pop up and burn the throws that we have on, and we've got like really cozy like home ones that we've spent a lot of money on, and they're getting like little holes in them from the fire pit. So we've actually just purchased these cute ones from Primark to keep us cozy out the back while we're in the fire pit, and we don't mind them getting little burn holes in them. So yeah, that is the little throw. It's actually quite big and it's super cozy for £4. It's just a great wee like cozy blanket. Next up, I bought this little scarf here. It's kind of like a soft cream colour. It's like off-white with the beige stripe and the slightly dark grey stripe down it. I thought that it was going to be so perfect for outfits like this for autumn, and I actually have a jacket here that is not from Primark because the one in Primark didn't fit me, that I thought it would go perfectly with. So what I'm going to do is take it off the hanger and show you on with this jumper and then with the coat, which yeah, unfortunately is not from Primark. The scarf was £4, so it was such a little steal. It feels nice and soft and cosy. How cute is this scarf? It's just so nice to be wearing something that's not dark, dull and reminding me of the cold, horrible weather. It actually feels just like cute. It's almost made me look forward to autumn. Did I just say that out loud? I'm such a summer girl, like I totally love summer, so the fact that it's autumn does not fill me with joy, but it's something I guess I have to deal with. Yeah, these colours are so making it more bearable. Like I actually cannot wait to be all snug as a bug in a rug in this cute little scarf. I'm going to show you on with the coat now. This is the scarf paired up with my camel coat. The camel coat is from Boohoo. It is from the petite range and it is a size 4 and it fits me really nicely, whereas the Primark one in the size 4 was really far too big. If I can find the picture of it on me, I will insert it after this or in the corner or something. But yeah, this is the coat with the scarf, or obviously just the scarf like with the outfit, and if you're wearing it with any other kind of coat, but I just feel like it's so cosy. Actually I'm sweating, like I'm not gonna lie, I'm absolutely roasting. It's so mild today, I think it's like 16 degrees and I am sweating my little tush off, so I am dying to get out of this. I wanted to end this with a full styling of the outfit. I think that this outfit would actually go better if it was paired with more like a pattern skirt, something just a little bit more brighter rather than it being like all the one colour. Maybe like a brown leopard print skirt or something just to bring it out a little bit more. I saw one last night in Topshop actually that I think would be perfect. But yes, that pretty much brings us to the end of the Primark haul. I just want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this and stay tuned for the rest of my videos in haul week. Mwah! Ciao! Look, the size of this can, like I seriously need it in my life today. I am so thirsty and I haven't had an eye brew, I don't think, since I got back from holiday, which was 2 weeks ago, and if anyone knows me that well, I am addicted to eye brew. The fact that I lasted 2 weeks is insane, so I am going to savour every moment of this.